see those cute little videos on Facebook on how to make desserts, but you're just too lazy to actually make them? Maybe I can help by giving you the step-by-step recipe for this delicious dessert. White chocolate Oreo balls are fun to make and they come out very delicious. And they only take 3 easy steps to make. Number 1 is gathering your ingredients and preparing your area. Number 2 is putting it all together. And number 3 is cooling your dessert. I've made this recipe many times since I first discovered it a couple years ago. I just can't get enough of it. First, you have to gather your ingredients and get your area ready. I'm going to stir this because it might be getting hard. Number 1 is get a pan of any size out and lay wax paper over it, which I've already done right here. Number 2 is gather 1 package, 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 1 package of Oreo cookies, 36 cookies, crushed, and 4 ounces of white almond bark melted, which I have right here. Mix the crushed cookie crumbs and softened cream cheese until blended. First, I'm going to show you how to crush the cookies. I use this little crusher thing right here, but if you're making like a bigger batch, you can use a blender. It might be easier. But you just want to crush them until they're kind of like finely crushed. Okay. That might need crushed a little bit more, but I'm not going to show you all the way. Okay, then here I already have the mixture of the cream cheese and Oreos. You just want to make sure it's mixed like all the way. It'll look like this, more brown than white. Okay. Now that you have everything ready, let's move on. Secondly, you are ready to put your dessert together. 1 is make a 1-inch balls with the Oreo mixture. 2 is chill the balls for about 10 minutes. And 3, after taking the balls out of the fridge, coat them in the almond bark and set them on the wax paper lined pan. I'm going to show you how to make a couple of these balls. You just get about this much and you just roll it in the palm of your hand and you set them on the wax paper. Just like this. Doesn't really matter how big they are. You can make them as big as you want or as small as you want. So then you place this in the fridge, which I already have some made. They've been chilling for about 10 minutes. Okay, so then you just take the ball and you put it in the almond bark and just mix it around, coat it all the way. And I'm going to take this over here. You just take the ball and put it on here. And you might want to cover some spots that you might have missed. Okay. So third, you're ready to chill your dessert again. Place the wax paper lined pan back in the fridge for about an hour until the chocolate is hardened all the way. After taking your dessert out of the fridge, they should come easily off of the wax paper. There you have it, an easy and delicious recipe that looks good and tastes good too. Congratulations, you are now a professional Oreo ball maker. In conclusion, making white chocolate Oreo balls involves only 3 easy steps. 1, gathering your ingredients and getting your area ready. 2, putting it all together. And 3, chilling your dessert. Hopefully you could successfully make this dessert so you can share your accomplishment with others. Enjoy.